is Sheetal Khatri and welcome back to my channel. And yeah, today we are doing something new and exciting and really good fun stuff that's like DIY. And this is something that I'm myself have been practicing since few years now. And it has, trust me, it has done miracles in my life. And by that, I just thought, why don't I share this vision board concept with you people? And I don't know that how many people of you believe or know the concept of manifestation. That is, it's like, a secret. I don't know if you read the book Secret or not, but that is the formula I really apply in my life, and I have literally seen things come true. And by that I mean that it's believed, and I have myself experienced that whatever you, in some way or the other, whatever you think, whatever you put out in the world eventually gets back at you in some way or the other. By that means that if you are believing that you are going to achieve that goal, if you put that goal out in the universe, it is some way or the other, someday it's going to become true. And that doesn't mean that you just put it out and work is done. No, you have to work towards it, but one way or the other it is definitely going to become true. And vision board is something that is really, it really helps you out to visualize your dreams, your goals, and you have to work towards it. So vision board is nothing but like it kind of collage of pictures which you put out in a board, and it is really believed, and people do practice that when you see certain things, your certain relatable things again and again, if you keep manifesting it, if you keep believing it, that suppose you keep a picture of a car in front of you, like suppose you want to buy a Audi or Mercedes or anything, and if you keep looking at it again and again, and if you keep working towards that goal, it is eventually some way or the other is going to happen true. And that's why I decided that this vision board, I'm sorry, what is wrong with my accent? So that's why I just thought that this vision board might help you people to visualize, to practice that manifestation and make your dreams come true. So now, without wasting any further time, let's get started. These are some outlets of the pictures which are printed out. Okay, like they are like like 4 or 5 pages of the outlet, and these are the pages, and these are the images which are relatable to my goals. Like they are reminders of what goal or what are my goals. For example, this is this kind of workspace I really want for myself. This is some believe in yourself always. This is a big reminder. Then this is the wall decor which I really aspire. Like I really want to make design my wall like this, but I keep procrastinating it, so this is a reminder again. These are YouTube buttons which I really want to reach. Please guys, help me out. This is like travel the world around, which is ultimate goal. Then yes, this is Ellen with Oscar. I am like forever fan of Ellen, this amazing, incredible lady. She just makes my day, and I just really look up to her. So this is something, I'm putting things out in the world already and monetize my channel. Yes guys, please do help me out reach this goal super soon. See, I already threw this goal in the universe. Now I really want to achieve this very bad. By 2020 I really want to monetize my channel. And what else? Yes, hippie time, life with no regrets. This is my ultimate thing that I actually live with. This is something I believe in. Then yes, many other stuff. You have to just Google the pictures, make collage of it and print it out like this. Okay, then other stuff what you will need to make your vision board. Let's jump into that. So let me share you what else you will be needing. I want to keep it minimal, so I won't need much. So I've placed my camera properly. You can see it, right? Properly? Yes. So this is my whole cardboard box, okay? And these are the pictures which are going to place in this. So now we'll cut these pictures one by one. Okay, let's start with this. You can see, right? We will go from process and very time taking. Just hurry up. See, you should have it. This one, yes, skydiving. Oh, I really want to live an adventurous life and spilling all my secrets from my vision board to you guys. See, this too are like this. You have to cut down all the pictures. So now let's cut remaining few really fast. Extremely tedious work. I've been cutting and cutting since like past 20 minutes now. Only this much left, last one. It's done. Oh my god. Just see all the kachra I've done here. Okay. managed to put every picture in this. should we put this? Okay. There you go. Make sure that you don't, it doesn't have to be perfect, but and yeah, you're done. Yay! Okay, let me show you. See. Oh my god. Finally, I've done it. It was quite a tedious task. I still have Fevicol all over my hands. It smells like Fevicol, but I'm so happy with the outcome. Let me show you just once more. Just see, yay! It looks so pretty. I will place it somewhere here, right? It is so beautiful. मैं खुद की तारीफ कर रही हूँ, but no, actually. Output is quite good as I imagined it, and so yeah, this is, and you should, yes, and main important thing, you should always keep it somewhere where your eyes falls every day, like तुम्हारी नजर जहाँ रोज पड़ती हो ऐसी जगह पे इसको रखो. I'm just so glad that I had this chance to share with you people. I hope this really was helpful to you. And yeah, I just, and please do share your, if you make vision board and if this video was really helpful to you people, please do share pictures of your this vision board on Instagram, or mention it in the comments, and just show me your pictures that how your vision board turned out, or anything. And if you need really help, you can just DM me or anything. I'll try my best to respond. And yeah, and if you really like this video, please do hit like, share and subscribe. You know it very well what you have to do. So yeah, this was it for today. See you until next time. Till then, ta-da, bye.